Hello and welcome to week 5 of NASA Technology. This is Miss Oric. I'm going to go over with you just the few things that you need to do for this week and also give you some friendly reminders. So at this point, we have spent weeks 3 and 4 with our product proposals, which at this point should be done. If you have not yet submitted your product proposal to me, you need to have that submitted as soon as possible because at this point you should have started working on your final product for your culminating project, which is due at the end of this course. So, in addition to the assignments you have each week going forward for weeks 4, 5, 6, and 7, you will also be working on your culminating project. So for this week, you have the discussion forum, and it says, last week we discussed what the design process was. Think about what you know now about the design process and think about why it works. Explain the steps one takes or thinking process involved when using the design process. Provide an example to demonstrate using this way of thinking. Okay, and of course, once you do that, you will respond to 2 posts from 2 classmates. Okay, so your post is due by March 8th, which is Friday, and your 2 responses to your 2 classmates is due by Sunday, March 10th. This week's assignment is a choice board, so you get to choose, and you may see some things on here that look familiar because we may have done 1 or 2 for an exit card, but feel free to choose one that you want to complete. So you can create a logo for a t-shirt that relates to space exploration or NASA. Explain why you chose this specific shape or shapes for your logo and what the logo stands for. You can make a quiz and include a variety of different types of questions and use topics from weekly lessons. Also include an answer key. You can create a board game that involves NASA technology and space-related terminology. You could share it through a video or upload pictures of your board. It might be something kind of neat that you could talk to the class about. You can create a song or poem about a topic in class. I think that was one of our options also last week for an exit ticket. You can create a crossword puzzle using NASA-related topics from class and an answer key for that. You can also pretend that you are a television reporter, which I think we have done that one as well. Investigating a field that uses NASA technology. You can make a cartoon strip, or you can create a digital presentation about how NASA technology is used to save lives. So those are your choices for your project this week, assignment rather. For your assignment, remember you only have to choose one. Okay? And then finally, you'll have your exit ticket, exit card, and you're going to do a 3-2-1. So you're going to write 3 things you learned from the past few weeks in the course, 2 things you liked about the responses, ideas, and thoughts submitted by your classmates from any weekly discussion that you choose. So that could be from week 1, 2, 3, or 4. And 1 topic about NASA technology that you have a question about. Maybe there's something that perplexes you that you want to know more about. Tell us what that question is. What is it that's on your mind? What sparks your interest that you have this desire to have an answer to a question about this topic. So that is what you're doing for your 3-2-1. Okay, so it's very short this week because again, a lot of your focus should be on your culminating projects and working on that. Again, feel free to email me with any questions or concerns that you have. I'm here to guide you through the process. Hopefully you've all gotten a good amount of feedback from me. In the instructor feedback section, I added to your proposals. But again, if you have not submitted your proposal by this point in time, it is extremely past due. And you need to get that to me as soon as possible so that you are not scrambling at the last minute to get your culminating project completed. Also, another friendly reminder is with your culminating project that you have 2 parts to it. You have your product and your process. So your product is what you're creating, a prototype, a blueprint, something of that nature, okay? Your process is how you're going to explain your project. Are you going to explain it through a video presentation? Are you going to explain it through a PowerPoint presentation? So your actual product you're creating, and then your way to explain it and share it with the class is your process. Okay? So that wraps up things for week 5. I look forward to seeing your discussion posts. Keep up the good work as far as keeping up with your assignments and your discussion posts and exit cards. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.